Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to add an vehicle in the Uber app. So this can be your favorite driver or the favorite vehicle you like. So what I need you to do is click on the Uber app. After clicking on the Uber app, let it load. Once it loads, click on where do you want to go, and after clicking on where do you want to go, just Ayan's home. I want to go to Ayan's home. Now what it will do is that you will enter a basic map area. Now what you need to do basically is just confirm any Uber, and once you choose the Uber you want to go with, just choose Uber Go, confirm your pickup location. It will confirm my trip, and after confirming your trip it will ask me for after the end of the trip it will ask me to add this driver as a new as a safe place. So what this will help me in doing is that next time when I want to go out, I can search for this driver in my Uber app and I can go out with him again. Now this is a very useful scenario because sometimes some people feel often safe with traveling with a known Uber driver rather than traveling with an unknown driver. So this is how you select a vehicle and save it in your Uber app. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.